Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I will be showing you how to make shared album on an iPhone. So to do this process, first you could just simply go ahead and go to your settings into your phone. And now over here, go for the apps and you could just simply go for the photos apps and make sure you have the shared albums toggle on down below. Now, with that said, you could just simply go to your Photos application. Now, over here, just simply scroll down until you see over here media types, utilities, and you will have albums down below. So go ahead and select the albums category, and it will redirect you right over here. And now to create a new album, select create at the top right corner of the screen and select a new album. And pretty much you could add a photo, you can name it. And now once you have added a photo and named the album, it will show up over here and it will look something like this. And of course, you could just simply select the plus icon to add other photos that you want. And now to share this, you could just simply select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and you will have the share icon. Now from here, you will have an option add to shared album. From here guys, as you can see, you could change the shared album name and you could add participant down below. Just simply select add participants. And from here, of course, you could just simply add their email over here and automatically they will be sent an email and they have to accept it to see the shared album. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.